Imagine feeling out of control around food, eating huge amounts in secret, then feeling guilty or ashamed but unable to stop. This is binge eating disorder, BED, the most common eating disorder in the US, and it affects millions worldwide. Unlike other eating disorders, BED does not involve purging, but comes with intense emotional pain. In this video, discover the signs, causes, and effective treatments of BED and why hope and healing are possible. What is binge eating disorder? BED is characterized by recurrent episodes of eating large quantities of food in a short time, often rapidly and until uncomfortably full. People feel powerless to stop and later experience distress, shame, or guilt about the behavior. BED affects people of all genders, body sizes, and backgrounds. It often coexists with anxiety, depression, and chronic health issues. Common symptoms and signs: consuming unusually large amounts of food within 2 hours, eating faster than normal during binges, eating alone due to embarrassment over food amount, continuing to eat even when full or not hungry, feeling disgust, guilt, or depression after binge episodes. Recurrent episodes occur at least once a week for 3 months. Physical effects include weight gain, fatigue, gastrointestinal discomfort, or metabolic syndrome in some cases. Causes and risk factors. BED results from a combination of genetic vulnerabilities and brain chemistry differences, psychological factors like low self-esteem, perfectionism, or trauma, societal pressure around body image and dieting extremes. Dieting or restrictive eating can trigger binges by increasing cravings. Emotional triggers. Stress, loneliness, boredom, or mood disorders often underlie BED. Diagnosing binge eating disorder. Doctors diagnose BED based on clinical interviews assessing the frequency, severity, and distress caused by binge episodes. Ruling out other causes of overeating, like thyroid or metabolic issues, and symptoms of other eating disorders is important. Evidence-based treatments. Effective recovery needs a comprehensive, personalized approach. 1. Psychotherapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. This is the frontline therapy for BED, teaching patients to identify binge triggers, regain control, normalize eating, and reduce shame. Dialectical behavior therapy, DBT, helps manage emotional triggers and build coping skills. Group therapy and family therapy can add valuable social support. 2. Medications. Lisdexamfetamine, Vivance. The only FDA-approved drug specifically for moderate to severe BED, shown to reduce binge frequency. Antidepressants, SSRIs, and others can help coexisting mood or anxiety symptoms. 3. Nutritional counseling. Guiding balanced, regular meals to prevent binge triggers, addressing nutrient deficiencies, supporting mindful eating, and reducing restrictive dieting. 4. Lifestyle strategies. Regular physical activity, mindfulness practices, stress management, self-help skills, and robust support networks promote recovery and resilience. Navigating recovery and everyday support. Celebrate small victories like another binge-free day. Keep a journal to identify emotional triggers. Seek trusted friends, therapists, or peer groups. Be kind to yourself during setbacks. They're part of healing. Understand that recovery is a journey, not instant perfection. If binge eating leads to severe distress, health problems, or thoughts of self-harm, seek professional help immediately. Early diagnosis and treatment lead to the best outcomes. You are more than your struggles. You deserve nourishment, peace, and joy. Recovery from BED is possible, and many have found a new way to live with freedom and kindness toward food and themselves. You are not alone in this fight. Every meal is a new beginning. Kindness to yourself is the first recipe for healing. If this video brought you hope or insight, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support may be the spark for someone else's healing journey.